guys, I'm back and today we're going to do another slime recipe. So I'm testing this one out. I don't exactly know if it works. So for this one, you're going to need something to put your slime in. You're going to need something to mix with. You're going to need some shampoo and you're going to need some sugar. So let's get started. Okay, so first you're going to need to put in the shampoo. As much as you need. And then you're going to need to put a little bit of sugar, not too much. Just about like 2 pinches or 3. Next, you're going to have to mix it. You're going to have to kind of mix it a lot. That's what they said. Okay guys, you might need to be frequently adding sugar, but don't put way too much or else it could become liquidy and you don't want that to happen. And I'll explain to you why. It might become clumpy a little bit, so that should be good. If you put too much sugar, then you can just put some more shampoo in it, and that should help. Okay, so yours should start to form together a little bit, like mine is. If it is, that's good. Just keep mixing. This requires a lot of mixing, so if you don't have patience, you can just skip this video. And yeah, after you're done mixing, then you want to put it in the freezer for 1 hour. You don't have to cover it, but if you want to, you can. I'll see you back after I've put it in the freezer for 1 hour. Okay guys, we're back, and yeah, I kept it in the freezer for 1 hour. Okay, so it's really cold and frozen, so I'm gonna see if it works. Okay. It's kind of hard. It feels like foam. Oh, this is probably a fail. It gets stuck in your hands a lot. Yeah, I think this is a fail. I have to use my elbow. Okay guys, I had to use my elbow because my hands are covered. Now they're clean. So that was the end of the video. It failed, and it's kind of sad. So we'll see you in our next video. Bye.